Release the Kraken!
Greetings, fellow game designers. We're on here at Lame Duck Studios, and today we're going to be doing Mario's idle pose. And right off the bat, make sure you are in the Mario bind pose rig with the IK leg setup. This is going to make life a little bit easier for us for doing the idle. And then we are going to rename this. So again, make sure you're in the IK. That's the one where if you move the hips, his legs bend for you. Because we're going to use this bendy bend feature today. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is save our project because we always want to keep the original. So we're going to save this out. Instead of it being bind pose, I'm going to make this Mario idle. And the rest of that is okay. Just make sure it's idle and then hit save. And all I really want to do for Mario is something like a breathing sort of animation. Right off the bat, let's go ahead and set our timeline. I'm going to drop this down. Let's go ahead and do 60 frames here. And for my first frame, all I want to do is bring Mario's arms down to his side. So I'll grab the arm control here. I'll just bring that down, I'll eyeball it. And then I'll get the other one, I'll bring that one down and eyeball it. They don't have to be too perfect. And I'm going to open up my master control here. And I want to grab the top, and then shift grab the bottom, and then I'm going to hit S to key the entire set. I'll go all the way to the end, and then I will do the same thing. Because this is going to be a looping animation, and once we get through it, we are going to just start all over. Okay? And then somewhere in the middle of 60 frames, which is going to be 30, we're going to make a change. I'm going to make Mario's arms come out a little bit, like so. And this is going to give him like a very slow breathe. And I'm going to go ahead and set those. So master control and all the way through, I'll hit S to key that. Okay. And if we hit play, you can see very slow Mario has this like little breathing thing going on. And now I want to add a little bit of something. Since Mario's chest does not expand when he breathes, all we have is like the shoulder movement. But maybe we can have Mario sway, or maybe we can have him bounce a little. So just to have something else going on. So I'm going to go to frame 30, and maybe in frame 30 I'm going to grab like the hips here, and I'll bring the hips, his pelvis down just a little, just ever so slightly, and then I will set that. So I'll grab those and set it, and now you have sort of like this raising and lowering of his body. It's very subtle, but just enough. And you're welcome to add anything else into there that you like, but I'm really happy with this. It does exactly what I need. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Save your work, and I shall see you next time.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. Misty and I both thank you. If you enjoyed that video just watched, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, we're at 1,400 subscribers. Woo! If you have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And if you want to keep up with me on Twitter, it's BruceRF1. That's also in the description. And if you want to support the channel, make it easier for me to make content for you, check out some of my merch or one of my books. But yeah, all that, again, is in the description. Check it out, and I shall see you next time.